All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Up Yoruba Nation. My brother, my sister, no be small thing. Still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, my people are not relaxing at all. Keep telling them Yoruba Nation must be achieved. Yoruba Nila Tekme. All right, so and then onto this one, a lot of things are actually going on, and then as it stands, onto what is going on, I will not lie to you, all the Yoruba people are tired. In fact, the new one that is reigning right now is that the people are announcing it. They are shouting it. Baba Jagaban, Esanu Aiye, Ebawa pínlù Ìkẹ́, jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ìyà yìí pọ̀, kò síná, kò sómi, kò sọ́nà, kò sóúnjẹ, ebi ń pa aráàlú. How long are we going to continue like this? Ìgbà wo la fẹ́ ṣe eléyìí dà? A lot of things have been said. We don't need to deceive ourselves. After now, we still have the opportunity. The Yorubas have a lot of opportunity to be free. With the way the whole thing is going right now, a lot of comments have been reaching me. A lot of people are like, please keep telling them. We are sharing those videos. Yes, it's reaching them. This is an opportunity for the Yoruba people to be free. Esanu wa, Ebawa pínlù yìí. Divide it. In fact, endorse Yoruba Nation. Yes, endorse Yoruba Nation. Now that you are there, I thought the people were joking. They are now serious. One thing about this life, most especially what is happening in Nigeria right now, when the people are being pushed to the wall, forget it that they campaign for you. They will run against you. A lot of them have started coming out. And right now, with what is going on, we still have some set of people. Definitely. They call them traitors. Not that they love what Baba is doing. Like Baba for where. Like here. But the truth of the matter is, they believe that with time, they will still, receive some money from Baba. Yes. I heard of some set of people that they call them Ashiwaju bloggers. People are like, Emma down low one she blogger kankan. Ashiwaju beggar ní gbogbo wọn. Nǹkan tó máa jẹ ló ń jà fún wọn, jà fún anybody. Right now, as it stands, you will see the whole thing that is going on. One of them came out the other time that was telling us that the price of fuel, when people say the price of fuel had been increased to 617, she came out. That is a lie. Emma down low 488 naira lon. The likes of those people. Do you know why she had been saying that? Because she has received her own money. Which is very wrong. Why would people be this selfish? Because on your own side, you have gotten what you want. You believe that, okay, is that the kind of figure we should portray? Is that the kind of life we should portray? We call ourselves Yoruba people. We call ourselves human beings. Yet, we don't care about others. That's exactly what the problem is right now. Now, some set of people are not like, it's like, Baba Tinubu, as soon as their crew, the likes of the presidency and the rest of them, as soon as they get to Aso Rock, their ears are always blocked, that they don't even know if the masses are suffering. I don't know, because the people have risen it front and back with every shout, with all the complaints. Táwọn èèyàn ti ń complain pé okay, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kò wá okay rárá o, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kò yé wa o, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àwọn èèyàn ń kú gan, mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, oríṣiríṣi ń ṣẹlẹ̀. That he never said anything. He's still mute. Say nǹkan tó ń ṣàfẹ́ ṣe yẹn ṣàná fẹ́ ṣe. But right now, the people are now of the opinion that please, Baba, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, Baba Jagaban, ẹ ṣàánú ayé torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ bá wa pín ìlú yìí, ẹ bá wa pín ìlú yìí, opportunity tá a rí yìí, after some maybe we don't even know. Àwọn kan sọ pé bí after 4 years, some are like after 8 years that baba okay ká tiẹ̀ ní pé 8 years náà ni, after that 8 years baba, before it will get to Yoruba, hey, tó kàn wá maybe after about another 100 years o, ṣé nígbà tí gbogbo yín bá ti yọ tán, ìgbà wo la fẹ́ jẹ díẹ̀, ìgbà wo la fẹ́ jẹja, ìgbà wo la fẹ́ farabalẹ̀ jẹran màálù, baba torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú wa. My brother, my sister, is not funny. Sometimes people will be laughing like, this is sounding funny. Yes, it might sound funny, but the truth of the matter is, kò funny rárá. At all, kò funny. Because a lot of people are dying. Now, in case you don't know, don't get it twisted. You see those Fulani people, they are still in your forest. When you are they are still there. They just want to see how it will play out. Pé ká tiẹ̀ wo nǹkan tó tẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, wọ́n yìn bára wọn jà ní àbí ká wo bí wọ́n tẹ̀ fẹ́ dì pẹ̀lú wa ni. Now Atiku has raised alarm that they should give him that mandate. No, initially we were thinking, Atiku does not even need it. It's like want to step down for Peter Obi. Right now Atiku gan ti rí pé èmi gan báwo máa step down fún Peter Obi, no ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni èmi gan mo nídìí láti wà lórí oyè yẹn. You can imagine. Now, all of them, everybody has his own supporters. Atiku has his own supporters. So, meanwhile, if instead, tó máa fi gbé fún Obi, àwọn ọmọ Hausa wọn nígbà kan gbọ́dọ̀ gbé fún Atiku ni. And then, at the end of it all, if it ventures gets to Atiku, meaning automatically, Baba Tinubu might not get there. Ẹ wá rí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe. That is why right now Chief Sunday Igboho should just remain where he is. We are watching. No, nobody should say Chief Sunday Igboho should come to Nigeria. A lot of them were like, baba wa Chief Sunday Igboho ń bọ̀ Nigeria láìpẹ́ àmọ́ láìpẹ́ náà ni, but for now let him remain there because a lot of things are going to play out. We are not praying for war. Baba Jagaban on his own side have made it clear chaos máa wà, and the Igbos are like kò ní sí chaos kankan. Yes, we are backed up with the international community. We are facing the law of the land. Yes, so the rules and regulations of the constitution, that's what they are facing, and definitely nothing will happen. That's exactly what they are saying right now. But the wise ones have now come out. Say, Baba, you either you remain there or not. The truth of the matter is, we are begging. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Baba Jagaban ẹ ṣàánú ayé, ẹ bá wa pín ìlú yìí. My brother, my sister, I have delivered your message. A lot of people have been like, keep telling them, it will get to them. Yes, it will get to them. They will hear it. They will hear our pains. A lot of Yoruba people are in pains. We have all the resources, but things are not actually working. My brother, my sister, a lot of people are dying on a daily basis. As I speak with you right now, there are so many people that have just been kidnapped, but you don't hear about them. How many? Mélòó la fẹ́ kà, mélòó la fẹ́ ròyìn. Àwọn Yorùbá máa ní pé mélòó la ó kà nínú eyín Adépèlé. My brother, my sister, a lot of things are actually going on, and many things have gone wrong. Yoruba nation is still the way. Yoruba nation, no going back. Either they like it or not, my brother, my sister, either they like it or not, Yoruba ma pín. Yes, a lot of people have been praying about it. Fine, it's good to pray in whichever way you can pray. But meanwhile, we need action. We need to come together, togetherness. Because right now, if you are out there, you are talking about the fact that one party will be the one to sit on that throne. We will not allow that to happen. No, this other party, at the end of it all, we will not land GI. The best let everybody say this out. Some set of people are still out there supporting Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We already know they are doing those things simply because they have been paid. Right now, the problem right now in the country is that majority of people right now, they will tell you they are fighting for you, but at the end of it all, is for their own pocket. Somebody was calling out all the Nollywood actors and the actresses that campaigned for Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu. they called out different names. To the extent they called out Gbogbo Biz girls. That no, she has to say something. My brother, my sister, why would she say something when she has collected her own share? She's living large. She's living okay. Nothing they par on her own side. So that's exactly what we are saying. Majority of people are out there, they don't even care about you. But you that you know that, oh, this thing is not favoring you, and in the next 20-50 years, even if Baba Tinubu is there, it will not reach you. Then why can't you just fight and then let us talk about separation? Tí Yorùbá bá pín, ìyàtọ̀ máa wà. That's exactly what it is. Baba Tinubu, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run o. Baba Jagaban, ẹ ṣàánú ayé. Ẹ bá wa pín ìlú yìí. Well, my brother, my sister, that's exactly what is actually going on. Before now, Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his campaign, he said Nigerians should not worry. Nigerians should not worry that where Buhari stopped, that he will continue from there. My brother, my sister, right now, Baba has continued though, or continue on it. Meaning, a lot of people thought this one that he has said, that means things will work out for the better. When somebody said he will continue from where he stopped, English in it, that means ibi tí wọ́n ti parí sí làwọn máa tún continue, làwọn máa tún gbé ibi tí bàbá dẹ̀ parí sí, tí Tinubu parí sí, kí ló pé Buhari parí sí ńgbà yẹn, gbogbo wa ń pariwo náà ni gbogbo kíní kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò da ìlú ilé ó máa ṣe kíní. But right now, my brother, my sister, I don't know if you have watched that video that is going viral. People are shouting, we are missing Buhari. But táwọn èèyàn ń pariwo ni wọ́n náà wọ́n miss Buhari báyìí ni. And then you are out there, you are telling me that one Nigeria is what will solve it. People are now missing pains. It is a shame for people to be missing corruption. Now people now prefer corruption to what it is right now. Nǹkan tó mean nìyẹn o. Buhari tó kò ṣe dáadáa tí gbogbo everything dojúrú, àwọn èèyàn wá nípa àwọn miss here, meaning it's better than what they are facing right now. And then as it stands, majority of people are coming out that 25% said bàbá yìí kò meet here, ó gbọ́dọ̀ kúrò ńbẹ̀ yẹn ni. Now we are now soliciting, begging, a gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ̀bẹ̀ ni o, bàbá ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá wa endorse Yorùbá nation, at least tó bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ dá gbogbo ẹ̀rú later á ti mọ̀ pé okay o, wọ́n tẹ̀ ti free wa náà. So we need to jello. Hey, my brother, my sister, this is not funny at all. Well, still on the matter, my people, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.